Ni hao. Hello, how are you? Bamboo is the ideal material for temporary structures. It's a common construction material for centuries in China. It is widely used in Hong Kong still now as building scaffolding. Bamboo is also used in Hong Kong to build seasonal opera theaters which pop up every spring. Hong Kong is the tallest city in the world. The city has nearly twice as many skyscrapers as New York and 3 times as many as Shanghai. But take a second look this iconic cityscape and you are bound to notice something unique and anachronistic about Hong Kong. The frames used to put up high-rises are not steel or aluminum. They are made of bamboo. You can see bamboo scaffolding all over the city. It often wraps around buildings from top to bottom, forming an intricate lattice work, climbing to sometimes dizzying heights. But it's a question, what makes bamboo such an ideal material for scaffolding? And why is Hong Kong one of the last cities still using it? Bamboo has been used as a building material in China for thousands of years. Just take a look at this old Song Dynasty painting depicting a cityscape from 900 years ago. The practice is so old that the bamboo scaffold industry has not one but 3 spiritual patrons that are still worshipped today. The god Lo Pen even has his own dedicated temple here in Hong Kong. Many construction crews in mainland China have embraced modern steel scaffolding because it is seen as safer and higher in quality. So why does Hong Kong continue to use bamboo? The city builders prioritize cost and efficiency, which makes bamboo the perfect construction material. As one of the fastest growing plants on earth, it can grow up to 3 feet a day. It's also a sustainable material indeed. Bamboo is far cheaper than steel or aluminum. Similar to grass, bamboo has thick roots called rhizomes, which can quickly sprout new shoots 60 cm 2 feet a day. Some bamboo can even reach 40 meters tall. The plant has been a resilient and tough building material for centuries and even stacked up against modern alternatives like steel. Bamboo scaffolding can serve as a lightweight and stronger alternative. Here, single layer scaffolding has been used to renovate an entire building. It must be built from the ground using 2 different types of bamboo. Thick and sturdy maozo is used for load-bearing support, while thinner and lighter kaoju secures the structure. Everything needs to be tied together with proper knots, a skill that takes scaffold workers years to master. And even the best scaffolding often needs further support in the form of metal brackets that the bamboo can rest on. This method of assembling can be used to build scaffolding in all sorts of shapes and sizes, like surrounding a balcony or even suspended around a large sign. For the workers who built these iconic lattice works, It takes years of training and guts to rise to the top. Years ago, scaffolders used to climb to sometimes dizzying heights with little protective equipment. Today, the industry is far more regulated, with safety harnesses and hard hats mandatory. Modern scaffolders also wear protective sleeves, gloves, and non-slip safety shoes when on the job. The bamboo itself is also subject to strict regulation. Even with these safeguards, scaffolders still face the daily life-threatening risks of falling or being hit by debris. And now the industry itself is in a precarious position. Presently, there are only 2,479 registered bamboo scaffolders in Hong Kong. Their numbers are shrinking. Will we continue to see these sophisticated bamboo structures a decade from now? It's hard to say. But for now, Hong Kong is still one of the last places in the world where we can see so much wet flesh on this powerful plant. Zai Zian, goodbye. Thanks for watching the video.